Hi, what's up, Gala coin holder? What's going on? Today video is very important for all Gala coin holder because my brother, this time you can see here Gala price will increase now 14.29% in last 24 hours. Congratulations, my brother. I already predicted this coin and you will better understand, my friend. And if you check out, my friend, my previous last video, so definitely you will better understand, my friend. This time you can see here 0.1169 USD dollar. This is the current price, and this time you can see here market cap 12.80% increase now. So congratulations, my friend. Fully diluted market cap, you can see here everything is increased now. Volume, oh my goodness, 182.77%. That's brilliant, my friend. You can see here if a volume is increased, so that's mean, my friends, to price is absolutely increased now. This time circulating supply, you can see here 6.98 billion. Oh wow, congratulations. All right, so this time if we check out, my friends, something more special I'm going to show you. So here is the chart. You can see here the red just and only, oh my goodness, just and only, see here now, this is lost. Otherwise, my friend, the green is completely profit. So that's mean, my friends, so this time, my friend, Gala is in the moon. Wow, 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 brilliant. If you want to buy, my friend, today, so absolutely you will get a very good profit. Never miss this chance, my brother. Otherwise you will remember, my brothers, please remember, you will never get a profit if you miss this chance, my brother. This is a very good chance, my friend. Please don't miss this chance. I am 100% sure, my friend, to if you buy it today, if you buy it today and just only wait for the end of month, wait for the mid of month, my brother, so I'm 100% sure they will give you a very good profit. So why you will miss this chance? Tell me. Please buy it. Remember, this is not a financial video. If you want, my friends, to get a profit, so please research personally, but I just advise you, so hope you will better understand, my friend. This time you can see the current product condition is very good now, and I'm so happy because, my brother, I already hold her, and I think I need, my friends, to invest more and more because, my brother, the price is very cheap now and the price is increasing. So therefore, my friend, if for a running coin, my friend, you can see this time they will running coin absolutely day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute, the price is pumping up. So therefore, if you invest this type coin, so absolutely they will give you a profit. And I think, my friend, there is a lot of coins in the crypto market too, they will move upward and like that, but absolutely Gala is one of the unique options. So please research personally about Gala, and after that invest now. Thanks for watching, Gala coin holder. Please like video and remember to subscribe this channel.